Let's begin by reading through the problem and highlighting important information. So this says, suppose you were given $500 from your uncle. So you're given $500, you deposit the money in the bank, and you add $10 per month. Now they want us to write an algebraic expression to represent the total amount of money you have saved after M months. Okay, so let's figure out what our letters are here. So they tell us M is equal to the number of months you saved or added $10 per month, the number of months. Okay. And the total amount saved, we didn't give this a letter, but notice the total amount saved is another part that can vary, a number that varies. It depends on the number of months you're saving for. Okay, so now let's look for our fixed amounts and our variable amounts. Well, we know that you got $500 from your uncle, and I'm going to say that this is fixed, meaning he gave you $500 once. As far as we know, he's not going to give you $500 again. But notice the money you're adding into the bank is $10 per month. And notice that word per again. Because, remember, when you see per, that usually means that it's going to be a variable amount. So every month, the $10 is fixed. The amount that you put in every month is fixed, but the total amount saved is going to vary because the number of months can vary. So we're going to say this is the variable amount. Okay. So for example, if you saved 1 month, you would put in one $10 bill. 2 months would be two $10 bills. 3 months would be three $10 bills. And then if we have M months, we would have M $10 bills, or M times 10, which again we write as 10M. So this part is going to be variable depending on the number of months that you're saving. So now let's write this in words and translate it to an algebraic expression. So the total amount saved is, well, the amount your uncle gave you. We'll call that uncle gift plus the $10 per month that you save. So the total amount saved for is, I'm going to write equals. Your uncle's gift is a fixed $500 that doesn't change, plus we want to add on $10 per month, which we saw was 10 times the number of months, or 10M. So this is our expression, 500 plus 10M. Now there's one more part. How much will you have in the account if you have been making monthly deposits for 1 year? Okay, and then it says, if I continue to save at this rate for 1 year, I will have saved blank dollars. So that's how we'd answer this problem, and we're going to put in the amount. So notice, 1 year is basically giving us that the number of months is 12, since there's 12 months in a year. So now we can replace M for our expression with 12 plus 10 times 12. And now we can evaluate to see how much you would have saved. So we have 500. 10 times 12 is 120. And if I add those together, I get $620. So if you save $10 per month for a year, plus the $500 from your uncle, the total amount saved is $620.